Welcome to our channel Try and No Code. In today's class, we will learn how to use name manager in Excel. Uh, let's go to Excel and try and understand how it works. So basically, in Excel, everything is an object. So take an example A1, which is our column A, and row 1 is an object. Now, what we can do, either we can give a name to this cell. So for example, if I keep my cursor here and give a name test1. Now if I need a1 information here, instead of typing a1 I can simply say test1, which means these two cells are linked now. So if I add this value here, it will automatically pop up here. So name manager is very much useful if you want to design a template, or if you want to work on a large formulas, or you want to call the information again and again in a same workbook. So take an example, we want to create a EMI or a loan repayment schedule. So what we can do in our PMT formula, instead of linking the cell, we can first define the name to all our values. So take an example, this 500,000, which is a loan. Either you can define a name here, or alternatively go to formula. There is something called define name. So the moment you want to define a name, so the name is loan underscore amount, it is already taken. Likewise, we can define interest underscore rate, and likewise we can define term underscore month. So he has taken a corresponding label for this cell. Now when we come to here and we try to do the PMT, so first is rate. So what we can do, we can have a interest rate divided by 12. Then we have a NPR, which is term, so we can simply write term, and then minus we can do the loan amount. This was not complete, so we just need to fix this. Minus loan, we have to hit tab to get the complete this. So as you can see, we got our value, and it does not have a cell reference, rather it has a name. Now we can also define this EMI as a EMI underscore loan. Now take an example wherever we go. So if we go to same workbook in a different sheet, we do equal to loan, we can get the same thing. So the idea of name manager is you can call that information wherever you want within that workbook, within that sheet. And also it helps reducing your effort in terms of linking to the cell, and it gives more professional as well as help in terms of designing template in a very systematic approach. I hope you guys would have understand the name manager. It is very useful, very powerful. If you have any question or comment, please leave it below. Thank you.